डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे गैस पेपर इंग्लिश का सेकंड ईयर का 2024 का। तो इसमें आप देखेंगे कि ना सिर्फ मैंने क्वेश्चन पेपर शेयर किया है, बल्कि इसके साथ साथ इसका सलूशन भी तैयार कर दिया है। तो यानी इसके साथ क्वेश्चन भी हैं और साथ साथ इसके सोल्यूशन भी है, उसके हल भी हैं, आंसर्स भी हैं। तो जितनी इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं उनके साथ आंसर भी दिए गए हैं। तो आप जस्ट इस वीडियो को देखें और इसी से तैयारी करें, तो इंशाल्लाह आपका पेपर हो जाएगा। इस सोल्यूशन की ख़ास बात यह है कि आप देख सकते हैं कि इजी और सिंपल लैंग्वेज में लिखे गए हैं, टू द पॉइंट हैं, कंप्रीहेंसिव हैं। और इसके अलावा ये कि लास्ट पॉइंट ये कि अगर आप स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक बिल्कुल ना करें तो इंशाल्लाह आपके मार्क्स पूरे आ जाएंगे। तो इसको मैंने डिवाइड किया है। सबसे पहले प्रोज का हिस्सा, फिर हीरोज़ का होगा, फिर मिस्टर चिप्स का, देन एंड में होगा आगे जो है वो एसेज वगैरह। तो सबसे पहले शुरू करते हैं प्रोज से। तो कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस हैं जो इम्पॉर्टेंट हैं और आपने उनके आंसर भी साथ साथ तैयार करने हैं। क्वेश्चन, वाई देर इज़ नो लाइफ ऑन द स्टार्स, और इसका साथ ही आंसर भी दे दिया गया है। तो ये मैं पढ़ूंगा तो वीडियो लंबी हो जाएगी, आप साथ साथ देखते जाएं। और अहम चीज़ ये है कि अगर आप जहां समझें कि मैं तेज़ यानी वीडियो मैंने चला दिया, तो आप वहाँ पे पॉज कर लें, रुक जाएं और फिर इसको आगे देख लें। क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट है, व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन द वांटिंग स्टार्स केम नियरर एंड नियरर। इसका आंसर नीचे दिया गया है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ हैज़ द साइंटिफिक मेथड हेल्प्ड अस इन आवर फाइट अगेंस्ट डिजीज। तो आंसर इसका पढ़ लें। How has the scientific method helped us in the production and preservation of foods? आंसर इसका next question. Describe some of the superstitions still current in our society. Answer next question. How does a mistaken ambition on the part of boys and their parents lead to the failure of the boys? Next question. What place would you accord to sportsmen in the colleges? Answer इसका next question. Which are the two main classes of boys who fail in colleges? तो आंसर इसका next question. Answer next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हाउ डिड द रजिस्टर गेट रिड ऑफ द अनवांटेड बुक्स? आंसर इसका देख लें। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द डिजीज he discovered he didn't have? द मैन हु वाज हॉस्पिटल से लिया गया ये। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, why should he be an acquisition to the medical class? ये भी लिया गया है द मैन हु वाज अ हॉस्पिटल। तो उसका आंसर बेटा मैंने बताया कि अगर अब मैं स्पीड मेरी ज़्यादा हो जाए तो वीडियो को पॉज कर लें, वहाँ रोक लें और फिर उसका आंसर देख लें। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज द प्रिस्क्रिप्शन गिवन टू हिम बाय द डॉक्टर? आंसर, द प्रिस्क्रिप्शन वाज 1 pound beef steak every 6 hours, 10-mile walk every morning, bed at 11 sharp every night, and don't stuff your head with the things that you don't understand. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये भी लिया गया है किससे? माई फाइनेंशियल कैरियर से। वाई डिड द मैनेजर कम टू थिंक दैट लीकॉक हैड एन ऑफिल सीक्रेट टू रिवील? Answer, the writer behaved in a mysterious way. He wanted to see the manager alone. Therefore, manager came to think that Leacock had an awful secret to reveal. Next question. What other blunders did Leacock commit after leaving the manager's office? ये स्पेलिंग थोड़ा सा मिस्टेक है ब्लंडर के और लीविंग, लेकिन ये क्वेश्चन बहरहाल है इसलिए आगे आपका आंसर ठीक हो जाएगा। आंसर भी ठीक होना चाहिए। आंसर इसका है, he made many mistakes there. First he entered the safe, then he wanted to draw $6, but in his confusion he wrote 56 on the check. Then instead of admitting mistake he posed to be angry. Question है next, ये भी उसी किया माई फाइनेंशियल कैरियर से। आफ्टर हिज मिस एडवेंचर इन द बैंक वेयर डिड द राइटर कीप हिज मनी? कहाँ रखता था अपनी रकम? तो इसका जवाब है, आफ्टर दिस मिस एडवेंचर इन द बैंक द राइटर नेवर ट्राई टू एंटर अ बैंक अगेन, देयरफॉर ही बिगैन टू कीप हिज मनी इन हिज पॉकेट एंड सॉ। तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कहाँ से लिया गया है? चाइनाज वे टू प्रोग्रेस। राइट अ नोट ऑन चाइनीज एग्रीकल्चरल सिस्टम। आंसर इसका, farming is done through the system of communes. The communes are further divided into two production brigades and teams. Different machines are used in the fields. Next question कहाँ से लिया गया? Write a note on Chinese women. ये भी लिया गया है China's way to progress. Answer, Chinese women lack womanliness. They use no beauty products. They enjoy many social benefits. They enjoy free hospitalization and medical facilities. Next question. What are social security benefits provided to the Chinese workers? तो आंसर इसका दिया गया, in the agricultural communes the housing is free, all medical treatments are free for the workers, whereas family members of the workers have to pay only 50% of the medical charges. तो next question कहाँ से लिया गया है? उसी से, China's way to progress. It is the people and not the things that are decisive. Discuss. आंसर इसका देख लें, द फ्रेज negate the modern concept that the great population is a burden on the state. If the people are a compact whole, they tend to become a power. The contribution of $1 from each Chinese would make roughly $800 million. Next question कहाँ से ले गया है? Hunger and population explosion से। Next इसका आंसर है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी लिया गया है, हंगर एंड पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोरेशन। व्हाई इज बर्थ रेट नॉट सो हाई इन द मोर एडवांस कंट्रीज? तो आंसर, इन एडवांस कंट्रीज मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल आर एजुकेटेड, दे कैन रियलाइज द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ बिग पॉपुलेशन, देयरफॉर बर्थ रेट इज नॉट सो हाई इन सच कंट्रीज। क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट दिया गया है, डिस्कस सम ग्रेट फेमन्स ऑफ पास्ट। उसी से हंगर एंड पॉपुलेशन एक्सप्लोजन। द Russian famine in 1921-22 killed several million people. In 1942, 1 million people died of hunger in Bombay. A worst famine of the century struck India in 1964-65. Next question दिया गया है, Jewel of the world. How did Abdurrahman deal with the governor appointed by the Abbasid Caliph to contest his rule? तो आंसर इसका देख लें। Next question. What did the Abbasid Caliph say on receiving the head of his governor? Answer, when the Abbasid Caliph received the head of his governor of Spain as a gift from Abdurrahman, his response was, "Thanks be to Allah for having placed the sea between us and such a foe." Next question भी लिया गया इसी से ही, Jewel of the world. What did Abdurrahman do to make himself strong and to beautify his capital? Answer, Abdurrahman developed a highly trained army of 40,000 or more Berbers. He beautified the cities of his domain. He built an aqueduct for the supply of pure water to capital. He ordered the construction of wall around the capital. The next question भी इसी से ही है, what did Al-Hakim do to promote learning and scholarship in his kingdom? Answer, Al Hakam set up 27 free schools in the capital. He enlarged the University of Cordova, invited professors from the East. He paid them good salaries. He gathered 400,000 books in the library of Cordova. तो नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो बेटा जी हैं हीरोज से। और अब बारी आती है क्वेश्चन गुड बाय मिस्टर चिप्स से। जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है ये नीचे दिए गए और उनके आंसर भी दिए गए हैं, तो ये याद कर लीजिए। What did Chips do after the last bell of the Brookfield School? तो आंसर इसका next. What was the name of the Chips doctor and how often did he visit Chips? The name of the Chips doctor was Dr. Merivale. He was his family doctor. He visited Mr. Chips fortnight for medical treatment. Next question. What did Chips doctor say about Chips? Next question is, how did Chips punish Kali? Next question, what kind of people did Brookfield supply? The contribution of Brookfield School to England is quite notable. Brookfield supplied judges, peers, and bishops. Mostly it supplied merchants, squires, and parsons. Next question, what was the inadequacy of Chips' qualification? His degrees were mediocre, he taught well, but he was not a scholar. He admitted the inadequacy of his qualification. Next question is, what was the Chips status at Brookfield at 60? So answer is, at 60, he was a senior teacher. He usually became a guest of honor in the Brookfieldian dinners. He enjoys his status as court of appeal in all matters. Next question is, when did Chips retire and what was presented to him on the day of retirement? तो आंसर इसका है, Mr. Chips retired from Brookfield in 1913. He was 65 years old. He was presented a check, a writing desk, and a clock on his retirement. Next question is, how was the room of Mr. Chips at Mrs. Wickett's house? किस तरह का था room? Chips was enjoying his retirement at Mrs. Wickett's house. His room was small, but it was comfortable and sunny room. Next question is, how did Chips serve the boys? कैसे वो खिदमत करता था बॉयज़ की? Mr. Chips served his guests with a walnut cake and tea. During the winter term, there were comfits too. He prepared tea himself for the guests. Question next है, what was the financial condition of Mr. Chips after retirement? तो इसका आंसर है, he was enjoying his retired life at Mrs. Wickett's house. He had no worries. His pension was adequate and there was a little money saved up besides. He could afford everything and anything he wanted. Next question, where and with whom did Chips go during the summer holidays of vacation of 1896 में कहाँ गया था? Mr. Chips went to Lake District. डिस्ट्रिक्ट के स्पेलिंग भाई गलत लिख दिए हैं, इसको ठीक कर लें। ये डिस्ट्रिक्ट की स्पेलिंग। ड्यूरिंग द समर वेकेशन इन 1896 हिज कलीग मिस्टर रॉगडन वाज विद हिम. दे एंजॉयड वॉकिंग एंड हाइकिंग देयर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डिड Chips see while climbing Great Gable? क्या देखा? At Gable, Mr. Chips noticed a girl waving excitedly. She was standing on a dangerous looking leg. She was Catherine Bridges. वो Catherine Bridges थी. What happened to Chips when he hastened to the girl? क्या हुआ जब वो जल्दी में लड़की के पास गया? At Great Gable, ये at लिखना था, अब ठीक हो गया. At Great Gable, Mr. Chips noticed a girl waving excitedly. She was standing on a dangerous looking leg. She was Catherine Bridges. Mr. Chips hastened to the girl. He slipped. He rent his ankle. उसके पाँव में मोच आ गई. Next question, how did Chips feel in the company of the women? कैसे महसूस करता था? Chips felt uncomfortable in the company of the women. He hated the modern women. He considered them to be monstrous creatures. Next question, how did Catherine Bridges look? किस तरह नजर आती थी Catherine Bridges का हुलिया क्या था? Catherine had blue flashing eyes. She had freckled cheeks. She had smooth straw-colored hair. She was young enough to be Mr. Chips' daughter. Next question, what were the political views of Catherine? क्या थे सियासी ख्यालात? Catherine had radical views in politics. She thought that women should be admitted to the university. They should have a vote. Next question, what were the favorite writers of Catherine Bridges? Answer, she read and admired George Bernard Shaw and Ibsen. They were the radical writers and Catherine liked them. Next question, why did Chips criticize himself and his degree? Mr. Chips told Catherine of his mediocre degree. He told her that he would never get a promotion. He also told her about his incomplete ineligibility to marry a young and ambitious girl. Next question, From where was Catherine married? कहाँ से उसकी शादी हुई थी? Catherine was married to Mr. Chips in 1896. She had no parents. उसके कोई वालिदैन नहीं थे. She was married from the house of an aunt in Ealing. Ealing से वहाँ उसकी शादी होकर आई थी. Next question. How did Catherine fall the night before wedding? So she said that she felt like a new boy beginning his first term with Mr. Chips. She asked if she could call him Sir or Mr. Chips. She said that Mr. Chips would be right. Then she said, goodbye, Mr. Chips. Next question. How much popular was Catherine in Brookfield? Catherine was very popular in Brookfield. The boy and the cat teachers equally liked her. She was also popular among the families of the teachers. Next question. What kind of fellow was Mr. Chips before his marriage? Before marriage, Mr. Chips had been a dry and neutral sort of person. He was liked and thought well of by Brookfield in general, but not popular. Next question. What changes did marriage bring in Mr. Chips? किस तरह की तब्दीलियाँ आई थी? Marriage made him a new man. His eyes flashed. His discipline improved. He became popular. His humor became mature. Next question. Why did the boys at school begin to love Mr. Chips after marriage? After marriage, Mr. Chips became kind without being soft. He began to understand the boys. He started to make little jokes. Therefore, the boys began to love him. Next question. What memories of Catherine haunted Chips? Memories of Catherine haunted Miss Chips. He saw Catherine rushing along the corridor. Sometimes he saw her laughing at some mistakes. Sometimes he saw her tending him good advice. Next question. How did Catherine urge Mr. Chips to forgive the students? Catherine urged Mr. Chips to forgive students on their mistakes. She urged him to give them a chance. Next question. What difficulties did Mr. Chips face while writing his memories? When Mr. Chips started writing on his memory, he faced difficulties. Writing tired him both mentally and physically. His memories lost much of their flavor when written down. Next question. When did Catherine and her newborn baby die? While giving birth to a child, Catherine and her newborn baby died on 1st April 1898 after 2 years of her marriage. Next question. How and when did Catherine die? तो सेम वही क्वेश्चन है तकरीबन. While giving birth to a child, Catherine and her newborn baby died on 1st April 1898 after 2 years of her marriage. Next question is, what was April Foolery Chips faced? On 1st April 1998, Mr. Chips received a lot of letters. All the letters contained a blank sheet of paper. It was a piece of April Foolery. What did Chips receive on 1st April 18? तो ये भी वही सवाल है, बिल्कुल सेम वही है. All the letters contain black sheet was it was a piece of April. सिर्फ wording बदल गया. How did Chips change his house after the death of his wife? तो after the death of his wife, Mr. Chips shifted from his large apartments in schoolhouse to original quarter, but he did not leave his housemastership. What change of age did the death of his wife bring in Chips? Just as marriage added something to his life, so did grief. After the death of his wife, suddenly Chips became a man whom boys classed as old. His discipline improved. He did not feel diffident about his work and worth. Question. What sort of gown did Chips wear after the death of Catherine? He wore his gown till it was almost too tattered to hold up together, and when he stood on the wooden bench by big hall steps to take call over, it was with an air of mystic abandonment to ritual. Question. What eccentricities did Chips acquire in old age? In old age, Chips acquired some great eccentricities of teachers and parsons. He wore his gown till it was too much tattered to hold together. He wore glasses slipping down the nose. Next question. How did Ralston look? किस तरह का Ralston था? Ralston, young man of 37, he was an active and efficient man. He was ruthless, ambitious. He had strict personality. All the teachers and students were afraid of him. Next question. Who was Mr. Jones and what was his duty? Jones was one of the striker of railway staff. He was in charge of signals at the railway station when he was on duty. Chips had a conversation with him during the strike. Next question. What sort of person was Ralston? ये salt नहीं है, sort है. SORT. Anyway, किस तरह का था बंदा? ये ऊपर आ चुका है. यंग मैन, ये वाज एक्टिव, ये वाज रूथलेस. ये सारी, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन की सिर्फ क्या हुई है, वर्डिंग चेंज हुई है. Why did Mr. Chips dislike Ralston? Ralston, as I explained, he wanted to replace the old languages. He was treating The teacher like slaves. He had a row with Mr. Chip. Therefore, he asked a question. How did Rasan want Chips to die? क्यों उसको चाहता था? Rasan was that Mr. Chip's method of teaching was slack and old-fashioned. His personal habits were slovenly. He ignored his instruction. Therefore, Rasan asked him to retire. What allegation did Rasan put on Chip? Same वही है. सिर्फ क्या है कि वर्डिंग इसकी चेंज हुई है, तो वर्डिंग चेंज भी आ सकती है. होशियार. What did Chips tell Mrs. Wickett about Rivers? Sir John Rivers का पूरा नाम था, तो वही क्वेश्चन है. Chips told Mrs. Wickett that Sir John Rivers was a student of Mr. Chips. Later he became the chairman of the board of governors at Brookfield. He favored Mr. Chips because he thought that Mr. Chips was justified in his row with Ralston. What happened to Mr. Chips in 1913? In that bronchitis in 1913, he was out to for nearly whole of the winter term. Therefore, he decided to resign. उसने दे दिया था. What did Mr. Chips receive his farewell party? कब उससे मिली थी? Mr. Chips was given a farewell party in 1913. He was presented a check, writing desk, and a clock on his retirement. What did Mr. Chips say about the captain of the school? In the farewell party, there was an interesting speech full of jokes. There was many latent quotations. There was a reference of the captain of the school in the speech. So next question was, who was a lamp boy? When there was no gas or electric light, there had been a member of the administration called a lamp boy. His duty was to clean and trim and light lamps throughout the school. So next question, what is a German measles? It is a highly contagious viral, especially of the children, that causes swelling of the limb and pH glands and reddish pink rashes on the skin. It is also called rubella. Next question, what services did Brookfield render during the World War I? There were military camps near Brookfield. Soldiers were using playground in the training. Young master joined the school. What did Chastity do on every Sunday night during the war? क्या करता था? On Sunday night, Chastity read out the name of the old boys killed in the. He also told their short biographies. Next question, which disease was Chastity suffering from? Chastity was suffering from diabetes. He died in April 1917. Next question, what request did Chastity make to Chips? Answer, Chastity requested Mr. Chips to join the Brookfield school, and he asked him to help him in holding the things together which were in the danger of flying to bits. Next, what are Chips' views about modern women? वो पहले हो चुका है. Says sees modern women as a monstrous creatures, as they are not known to be feminine and submissive. However, his views on women change when he falls in love with the intelligent and charming Catherine Bridges. Question, how did Mr. Chips went the rejoined Brookfield School? So Chips rejoins at the request of Charities. He managed all the things confidently, like sitting in the headmaster's studies every morning, handling problems, dealing with plaints and requests. He became more kind, gentle, and confident. Next question, what was meant by Chips' latest? Mr. Chips earned the reputation of being a great jester. Chips' latest means a fresh joke by Mr. Chips. Which classes was Chips taking when bombs began falling around? Chips are taking his lower fourth in Latin when bombs were falling around. Why did Chips not run from the dugout while there was a plenty of shelling? Chips did not run for the dugout while there was a plenty of shelling. He carried on his class of Latin. Chips said if it was their fate to be interrupted by explosions, they should be found doing something properly. Whom did Mr. Chips call the Sting Merchant? किसको कहते थे Sting Merchant? The boys had nicknamed the science master Mr. Burrow the Sting Merchant, but when Chips referred to the scientists who invented bombs as Sting Merchant, it made the boys laugh nervously. How did Mr. Chips earn the reputation of being a great jester? Wherever Mr. Chips went and whatever he said, there was a laughter. People waited for George. They laughed some time before he could come to the point. Next question, what were the two things Mr. Chips had never done in his life? Mr. Chips had never traveled by air, gone to cinema. What did Mr. Chips understand when Linford told him that he was told that Mr. Chips wanted to see him? Answer, Linford was the latest visitor of Chips. When Linford told him that he was told that Mr. wanted to see him, Mr. Chips immediately understood that boys made a joke with him. He decided to turn the table on them. What sort of discussion did Mr. Chips have with Linford? Mr. Chips treated him gently. They talked of Shropshire of school, and the news and told him that he was growing in a difficult world. Next question: what was the feeling of Mr. when Linford had gone away? Could not move because he was too tired. Anyhow, it did not matter. He leaned back in his chair and slept on the chair in a sitting posture. Next question: Mr. Chip's last meeting with Linford. या ये सवाल इस तरह आता है. How did Chips entertain Linford? Mr. treated Linford generally. They talked of शराब. ये ऊपर आ चुका है. Of the school news in India, Mr. Chips told him that he was growing in a difficult world. Question: when and how did Chips die? ये कब फौत हुआ? Mr. Chips died in November 93 because of bronchitis. He was 85 years old. तो नेक्स्ट जो क्वेश्चन है बेटा जी वो है टॉपिक ऑफ द एसेज जो इम्पॉर्टेंट है और इस पर मैंने वीडियो ऑलरेडी बनाई हुई है. ठीक है, तो आप उसको देख सकते हैं. ट्रैफिक प्रॉब्लम इन बिग सिटी, रोड एक्सीडेंट, बेगरी, स्मॉग, लाइफ इन बिग सिटी, विजिट जू, total place, my first day, last day, college advantage, and this one cell phone, my favorite personality, pollution, patriotism, while of Pakistan, my aim in life, my hobby, not a my hobby, बल्कि ये है my hobby. तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है किसके बारे में? ईडियम एडिमेटिक फ्रेजेस में. तो मैंने इसको कोशिश की है कि एक ही पिक्चर इनकी लगा दी जाए इकट्ठी करके. तो आप देख रहे हैं अ कैट स्पा, अबव बोर्ड, अ नैरो स्केप, मेडन स्पेच, अ मैन ऑफ स्ट्रॉ, एट लेमदार, एट लेंथ, एट 67, एट डेगरट्रॉन्स, एट लार्ज, बैड ब्लड कॉल इन, ब्रेड एंड बटर, बीट अबाउट द बेज ब्रेक इन, कैरी ऑन. ये सारी देख लें तो जितने भी हैं. और बस यही कोई था मेरे पास. और अहम चीज़ ये है बेटा कि ट्रांसलेशन जो है उर्दू से इंग्लिश में जो पैराग्राफ होता है वो कहीं से भी आ सकता है, उसका कोई सर पैर नहीं होता, इसलिए आपने खुद ही करना है. तो गुड लक. मेरी दुआ है कि आप इसको करके और कामयाबी हासिल करनी. शर्त एक ही है कि स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक नहीं करनी. गुड लक.